Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail art pearls that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Artdone Multicolor Nail Art Studs Kit. The Artdone Nail Art Kit is perfect for anyone who loves to create their own nail designs. It offers a wide variety of decorations, including gold stickers with fun patterns, and 6 boxes filled with pearls, rhinestones, and 3D charms, giving you many options to personalize your look. The materials are high quality, ensuring that the gems stick well, and the stickers stay vibrant without fading or peeling, making them safe for sensitive nails. This kit is easy to use for all skill levels, featuring tweezers for precise placement and stickers that can be simply pressed on. Plus, you can use these decorations for other DIY projects, adding extra versatility to your creativity. Moving on at number 4, we have the Teenitor Nail Charms and Stickers Kit. The Teenitor Nail Art Kit offers a wide variety of nail decorations to help you create unique and stylish manicures. It includes 8 boxes filled with gold and silver charms, pearls, caviar beads, colorful rhinestones, and sequins, giving you plenty of options to design your nails in modern, retro, or luxe styles. You can also find charming bows, flowers, and butterflies in 3D shapes that add depth and personality to your look. Plus, the kit comes with 20 sheets of self-adhesive nail stickers in vibrant designs, perfect for any season, along with tools like tweezers and a wax pencil to make application easy and precise. At number 3, we have the TINKRSTUFF 9000 PCS Pink Pearls and Rhinestones Kit. The TINKRSTUFF Pearls and Rhinestones Kit offers you a variety of 9570 flatback pearls and rhinestones in different sizes and colors, giving you plenty of options for your creative projects. It includes handy tools like tweezers, a picker pencil, and 3 bottles of jewelry glue, making it easy to pick up and securely attach each piece. Made from quality ABS and resin materials, these pearls and rhinestones are durable and have a shiny, elegant appearance that adds sparkle to your nails or crafts. This set is perfect for decorating everything from nail art to clothes and accessories, helping you create beautiful and eye-catching designs. At number 2, we have the MelodySusie Pearl Nail Charm Set 350 PCs. The MelodySusie nail charms offer a convenient 7-slot box with 350 pieces in a variety of shapes, perfect for creating diverse nail designs. You'll find everything you need, including tweezers and strong B7000 glue, which ensures your decorations stay put for a long time. This set is great for beginners since the pearl-bordered charms and flatback designs make application simple and stylish without any fuss. For best results, apply rhinestone gel, place charms with tweezers, and cure under a UV or LED lamp, giving you a durable, glossy finish that lasts. And finally, at number 1, we have the BELLEBOOST 600 Pieces Nail Charms Set. The BELLEBOOST Nail Charms Set includes a whopping 600 pieces of colorful nail decorations, perfect for creating unique nail art. You'll appreciate the variety of vibrant colors and shapes, including bows, stars, hearts, and moons, which allow you to express your personal style. With the included tweezer and pencil, applying these charms becomes a breeze, giving you more time to enjoy your creative process. The organized 12-grid packaging keeps everything tidy, making it easy to find the charm you need. This set is ideal for everyone, from beginners to seasoned nail art enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.